Allow me to officially welcome
out here and do something like this competition. We have started this I think about 3 years ago. And you have seen the success. You have seen of committees. I have to mention them by one. We have Mr. Daniel Herrera, the one with his team who do the field. He's the man who has this pitch looking like this, the marking of the pitch. That's Mr. Daniel Herrera Export. Right? That's what he does. We have Miss Emil Vera. I don't know what I'll do without her. She's the one who does all the paperwork, pay everybody, make sure that everything is done properly. And I also like to recognize Gizmo here. He is our public relations person. Anything happens, they contact Gizmo. And he's the man who does the flyers and everything. We have at the statistician there, we have Zuri. She's always there helping us out. We have the people by the gate, the young ladies who work at the gate. I want to say thanks to you also. We have the security, the policemen who keep us safe out here. Thanks to you also. The referees who did a wonderful job out here. Thanks to you also, referees. And also I'd like to thank the team that participated and designated. Thanks to all the team. I'm looking over there, I see Miss Kimara. How could I forget you? You are the one who makes sure we got that. The money rolling from the minister. Thanks to you, Miss Kimara, for doing a wonderful job. I don't know if I forget anybody, but if I do, please forgive me. DYFA, how could I forget you? My brother, thanks for being here. Also, we have any special guests here? I guess you're going to try. Iris Centeno, thanks for being here with us also. And last but not least, the fans. Make a hear it for the fans.
All right, thank you, Mr. Chairman. All right, before we move on to the Honorable Minister, can we invite the Director of Sports to say something?
Good night, everyone. I am very happy to be here. Actually, I'm impressed to see. I am impressed to see this beautiful field. For many years, I know that football was on a pass here in Pomona, and the effort of the minister, along with the entire committee, we can see the changes. And one of our main projects right now that he keeps pushing is turning this field to be a stadium. And of course, we'll be supporting the whole project. But I am very happy to be here. We will keep supporting football, and I am happy to see the crowd that came out. Congratulations to the team that won tonight, and thank you for having me here.
Thank you, Director of Sports. And yes, I want to commend the Honorable Minister before he comes down the mic. The Farm Shop football field was one of his great success of getting back to the sport here. It's the field we want to recognize as the pool table. All right? The best field in the Stanford district. All right? Natural field. The best natural field. All right? And I know the minister has great plans to let this Farm Shop field become a stadium in the sometime near future. All right? Without any further ado, let's welcome the Honorable Minister, Honorable Manuel Ferguson.
Thank you very much, Master of Ceremonies. Let's like recognize the Director of the National Sports Commission, Ms. Iris Centeno, Mr. Christopher West, and his entire team. You guys did an excellent job. You managed this competition for the last 4 to 5 months. So I want to congratulate you, the Ivan, Tani, the whole crowd, Santiago, the ladies. It was wonderfully done. I also like to acknowledge Aaron and the team from Rodsville. They did an excellent job to make sure they cut the field and maintain the field. They also make sure they put up the booths, the bathrooms also have a bathroom, and the fracture football field. When I choose the name, nobody opposed. Because in the 70s and the 60s, fracture run this football field of the Queen's Park Rangers. So nobody opposed when the name revealed the fracture football field. Let me tell you something. This football is a very expensive venture because we play in 3 zones to reduce the transportation costs of teams going very far. But to produce 3 prizes, 3 sets of trophies, it's very expensive. But I make the sacrifice because young people need to play sports, and football is the best sport we play in the country. And so tonight, I want to thank the fans who come out every Sunday or whenever games are played to support their football team. And it was a very first game tonight, Impacts and RCFC. They played for the championship of the Mayor's Cup. It was a wonderful game. They play again tonight. It's a wonderful game. Now, you both teams will join Red Bank, San Roman, Hoping, and their visitor to play for the finals of the Rajapur Cup. I say once I'm in this position, I'll make sure I will go to football. I see Rodrigo here, who used to play for this field maybe 40 years ago. I will bring back. So 2 years ago, I told the Charlie and Ismail for competition football also and for the national elections. If you don't register to vote, then you are careful. So I urge those who are 18 years of over to make sure you go and register to vote as soon as vote. Go and register tomorrow if possible. But thank you very much and God bless.
Thank you very much, Honorable Robert Ferguson. At this time, while we get the review committee to come here, yes, we must acknowledge Mr. Aaron Ferguson and the National Committee who engaged in ensuring that this field is top time and well maintained. All right? Thanks to Mr. Aaron and the National Committee. At this time, we will start off with the special award. All right? And we will invite our able statistician, Jory, to join the Honorable Minister. Okay. Okay. So, to start off the individual trophy award, we would like to start with the award for most goal, and that award goes to no other than Mr. Timothy Estero from RC Cycling. The Best Defender Award, after much deliberation and after much fantastic game, goes to no other than Mr. Kevin Pereira of RC Strikers. We again had to knock a lot of heads to look at what we would call the maestro of the game, right? The maestro of the game. And after looking at that, the best midfielder goes to no other. We decided to give the best coach award to Graveyard, Mr. Roy Casey Sr. Thank you, Mr. Fire, for leading those guys.
Foi conseco ainda não vai como
Alright, I want it's not like the one invasion that happened. Goes to no other than Mr. Joel Morales.
They have to ref to the referee.
Okay. I hope they're clear. Referee, if you're not clear, please make your way across. In the meantime, while the referee comes, we will start with the third place one. SG Ballers, could you line up your team? SG Ballers.
Vai, Kevin! Get the winner, vai! Mira! Que Kevin liberado! Derek! Vai, Kevin! Veja ali, vai! Kevin! 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 Do it, boy, Kevin! Do it, boy!
Before we go on.
Anisha! Break up!
Francis Castillo.
Yeah, Carl? Alex, Laurie! Big one! Alex, Laurie, what is Alex? Are you?
Mr. Herrera. Alright, so what's the shot? Get up. Thank you, Mr. Parliament. Bring our back report to work. Thank you very much. And ladies and gentlemen, We
Bobby, the lorry
start this competition. I know anytime Mr. D call on him, he answered the call. He won some very good games. And I think all the fans, all the team appreciate his hard work. We want to recognize Mr. Glory. Thank you very much. All right, at this time, we will present the cash prize to the third place team.
Bung it. 1, 2, 3.
All right, third place again goes to the one in MC Balance.
Bung
All right,
it.
the Taylor Aranda flashing that's $1,000 cash.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, what time?
Go straight away, Taylor. Go straight away. Most teams at the end of tournament walk away with checks.
Correct? You
And
correct?
remember the first team come with you walk away with the cash.
You correct?
Thanks to Tivara and team.
Yeah, you correct?
All right. Let us invite this year's second place team, which is no other than RC Strikers FC.
That's right.
Ms. Maria, could you put your team in a line, please? While I...
No, I. You're not RT.
One line, guys. Wait, don't start. Okay. You go straight down. Please straight down. Kevin Herrera. Get your cameras on, guys. All right. Mr. Kevin Herrera. Press forward. First one. Okay. Next one.
You can get 100. Yeah, Joshua. Get you outside the life, Josh. The life, right?
All right. Next one. One more.
Got it, Dill. Next 4.
All right, the next 4.
Bye, you know that, bye. You don't know what, so. The bar, but we want to get the people there, the fans want to leave back. Measure, guy. 2, 3, 4.
2024. All right, we invite the Floyd City Jr., Nelson, Gregorio, Jamal. All right? And last but not least, the Aaron Lopez, the Aaron Chavez, Kyle Garcia, and Elias Pelayo. Let's give her a big round of applause.
I want to see when Kevin Joel Morales lift it up like that. Send this thing up. We want to see Joel lift it up. Make Joel lift it up.
The champion of the third zone, Robert Ferguson, the Pomona Impact.
The man will be good. By Joel, I want to see you raise this up, General. By General, grind now. I want to see the video. I want to do 1, 2, 3.
Please, guys, allow me to.
Joel, I want to see you raise. Try to use the word. By General.
All right, you got to have some more than impact. Get ready. Remember to continue at the Michael Ashford Stadium. All right, we go to the third committee. DYFA, please. Third committee. All right, Miss Zoe, hello. Miss Marlene, Roland.
Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby girl.
Miss Emil Vera. Two young ladies that stood up. Two young ladies that stood up at the entrance, and I believe deserve recognition. This year, we decided to offer us to make a little bit more, not local, and I'm already thankful because you are committed. Miss Leah Tillett, you here? Miss Cecily Scott. If you're here, please come up. All right, I believe they're going to come tomorrow. Okay, DJ, before you continue, DYFA would like to do a quick interview with the Minister and the Director. So we would like for your indulgence. As soon as that interview finishes, I will let you know, and then the party starts.
Yes, real quick, Minister, it was a long road coming to this point today. Very exciting here at the I can't forget Frank Sharpfield. How you feel about this accomplishment today? Because it's over for this zone. It's been a long ride. It's finally over for one section of this tournament.
We hope they have them. We have been in touch. We have the central zone and the southern zone finished about 3 weeks ago. This zone was finished last week, but because the standing was postponed until today.
a beautiful day, but what is very impressive to me that we got back the Sharp football team together. It was abandoned for practically 35 years. So I guess the Sharp has struggled in his grave. But when we open it, we make sure we name after Mr. Frank Sharp, who was a dominant figure in football in the 60s and the 70s for the entire Stanford district. And so tonight we have two winners, our CFC and Pomona Impact, going to play now for the championship at the constituency. It's a very expensive venture, but the reason why I do it this way because I want the team travel time to be less in terms of transportation costs. So make sure that you play closer to where you live. Then now for the championship, we are going to sponsor the transportation costs to reach wherever the championship will be played. But I really feel appreciated we were able to do something for the people in the constituency. So I hope that they recognize the effort. It's not because of politics, like we want to have the professional degree. It's happened ever since we won in 2020.
Yes, and for you on the viewers, you could see the live, you could see the people, the amount of support that's out there at this field today. It's amazing because I mean it's an open facility. Imagine if we close this facility and then all these people, you know, could help to maintain some of this beautiful.
Here's my hope and dreaming that we can close the facility as quickly as possible. So it'll be a major stadium that the country believes.
And it's not far-fetched because we could do it. Come this far, it was abandoned for over 40 years. Now the next step will be possible.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you again for your time.
Brother. Thank you too, man. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate you guys.
Yes, sir, thanks.
Young man, thanks, man. I appreciate you guys.
The technician behind the
All
scene.
right, the man, the general.
All right, DJ, take it away. The party continues. The celebration continues. Right here from Sharp Football Field. DJ. DJ.
Looking good. More block, man.
Come on, bro.
More wrong.
You fucking black face,
Never, eh?
RC boy. Will.